Hey guys, Steve and Josh, and we're back for another video. We're already in the month of April. Where's this year gone?
I have no idea. It's going so fast.
And if you guys have been following us, you would have noticed we just came back from Apex, which was an expo held in Melbourne in March.
That was huge. That was so exciting. Great for us.
Yeah, you know, we had plenty of conversations with plenty of our clients and potential customers
Packaging
from
news,
that.
right?
Yeah, packaging news, what's happening in the industry, everything about sustainability. So if you were able to make it and see us, thank you so much for coming by our stand. We had a blast talking to you all. But if you didn't get the chance to meet us, you know, there's plenty more opportunities which we're going to talk about now.
Yeah. So we're quite happy to announce, I think we're at this stage.
Sure
yeah,
are.
we're at this stage. So we're quite happy to announce that for you Sydneyites,
Yep.
people in Sydney, we're coming to see you. We're coming to the AMW, Australian Manufacturing Week. There's a big expo, April
17th to the 19th, so just a couple of weeks away.
Yeah, down in Darling Harbour.
Yep.
We'll be there on a stand with the Queensland Government.
Yeah, and that stand is MP685. So it's near the back of the expo, but once you get there, grab the map, MP685 with the Queensland Government will be there. So,
I think what you're saying is it's worthwhile tripping down the back and saying hello.
oh, 100%. Why wouldn't you want to come say hello?
Exactly.
What is AMW, Steve?
Australian Manufacturing Week.
And what's there?
Showcasing everything about advanced manufacturing. So there'll be all kinds of equipment, all kinds of software, all kinds of technologies, mainly geared around manufacturing. So if you're a customer of ours that is in manufacturing or gets product made in a manufacturing facility, might be a co-packer, whatever it is, come along and chat, have a look around, see what there is. There'll be all kinds of weird and wonderful things, which will be excellent to look at.
Yeah, exactly right. And just find out a bit more about what we're doing here, the latest things we're doing with sustainability and how you can implement that with your packaging for your brand. Yeah. But yeah, so if you didn't get to see us in Melbourne, or if you want to see us again, if you did see us in Melbourne, make sure you come to Sydney between the 17th to the 19th of April, which is a Wednesday to Friday. We'd love to see you.
What stand number?
MP685, there we go. We'd love to see you there. Come say hello, come for a chat, and we'll see you then.
Great, see you then.